scaling to 400,000 euros in revenue in just 5 months with a stable 5.2 return on ad spend. We did that for this supplement brand starting on Google Ads from absolutely zero. We will cover the 3 most important topics inside the Google Ad account that made the biggest impact. You will learn which campaign and strategy we are running, how the tracking is set up, and how data connections are being made to increase the results. My name is Robin and I've been running Google Ads for more than 250 brands. And today it's time to show you exactly how we generated such good results. So you can implement this for your own brand. Let's dive right into my screen. Alright, so here we are inside the Google Ad account. You see that we have generated more than 400,000 euros in revenue. And let me refresh the screen so you can actually see that these are the actual numbers. So you can see we have spent more than 77,000 euros on Google Ads, generating more than 400,000 euros in revenue with over a total of 5,400 sales in just 5 months alone. We started somewhere here in the beginning of March, the second or third week, and we have generated for every euro invested in Google Ads more than 5 euros back for this partner, which is a crazy and insane result. Let me show you also the campaign strategy we enrolled for this account to achieve these results. Here, if we scroll down a little bit, we see we have 6 different campaigns and each campaign have a different purpose for this supplement brand. The first campaign is to test general products for the Netherlands. The second campaign is to test general products on the website for Belgium. The third campaign is to protect the brand name in the Netherlands. So every time the people search for this specific website name or any of their names of the best sellers, we will appear on the top position. The fourth campaign is exclusively for products with a high return on ad spend to exclude them from the testing campaign. The fifth product here is to test a new product that this partner implemented on his supplement brand. And the sixth campaign is actually to target competitor names active in the Netherlands and Belgium. For the reason being that if the competitors are warming up the traffic, for example, from meta ads, we will appear on the top position on their brand name. So what you can see here is the results here in terms of the cost invested in Google Ads. So inside here, you see the conversions, which means the amount of orders that these campaigns generated. For the Netherlands testing campaign, we generated more than 2,000 orders. For the testing campaign inside Belgium, we generated more than 1,400 orders. From the brand name campaign, 800 orders, because this partner is active on meta ads as well. And what is most important also is the ROAS we were able to generate. So this is the column conversion value divided by the cost inside here. So we can see that this partner has a 4.5 ROAS on just the testing campaign in the Netherlands, 4.3 ROAS on the testing campaign in Belgium, a 27 ROAS on his brand name because people are already active and seeing his brand on Google Ads for the top position when they warmed up by the meta ads. And then for the best performing products, he achieved a ROAS of 5.4. And the other campaigns are just in the testing phase, so not much to explain of this right now. So these are the campaign types we are running and the strategy behind it. I cannot go even more into deeper detail because, of course, the information is confidential from this partner, so how we treat all our clients. If you need help implementing this strategy inside your Google Ads account, make sure to click on the link in the description to book a personal call with me to see if we are the right partner to scale you towards your goals. So let's continue over to the campaign tracking right now. So if we go on the left side to goals and then we scroll to conversion and then to summary, let me show you how the tracking is implemented, because from one side, of course, we need to generate good results from Google Ads, but it's almost even more important to track the sales accordingly. So we make the Google Ads pixel as smart as possible, knowing exactly who's buying from us and then finding more like-minded customers. So as was said, we implemented everything from absolutely zero. So I've implemented the tracking for this partner as well. And you can see actually 2 things. Recently, we implemented the backup tracking from the Google and YouTube app, but that is actually less accurate than solutions like TrackB or WeTracked. So this partner already had a WeTracked account. So that's what we implemented for his website. And you can see again the same amount of conversions that I've just explained, more than 5,400. And the reason that these small arrows are here is actually that we have implemented everything on secondary except the purchase, because all we care about as an e-commerce store and the results we are getting are just from purchase, not from add to cart, initiate checkout, or a page view. So even though we connected all steps in the funnel to enrich the Google Pixel with more data, we are only targeting the purchase people from the campaigns. So that is important to know. And Google doesn't really like this, but this is amongst the best practice. We have tested more than 250 times for other clients that this is the best way to install the tracking by implementing only the main purchase tracking on primary. All right, that brings us to the third step, what we've been able to generate such a good results. And that is when you go to tools and then data manager. And then we scroll down a little bit more. And there you see actually what kind of data connections we have. Because I previously explained that we need to enrich Google with as much data as possible. So the data connections are essential to book this kind of results. So the data connections that we have made for this partner are Google Analytics. So we literally track all visitors to his website and their behavior to send it from Google Analytics back to the Google Ads account. So we can create audiences for remarketing later down the line. We have also connected the Google Merchant Center because of course all the products from Shopify are being implemented in the Merchant Center and then being used inside the Google Ad account. And also we implemented Shopify because the Google Ads Pixel is only firing when we get sales from Google itself. But if you connect Shopify as a data connection, all the other sales that are being generated from the other platforms are also synchronized in the Google Pixel. So they will not attribute it to specific campaigns, but Google will still learn from them to have an easier job finding more like-minded people that bought from any other platform are implemented in the Shopify CRM system, so they can literally learn from all the essential information from this client to give you a cheaper time of finding more like-minded clients to target with your campaigns, no matter which country you are active in. After seeing this Google Ads strategy, you might realize that you need some help implementing this for your brand in your Google Ads account. And you prefer to work with a partner that has this experience because you are already busy with running your business, right? If you want me to implement this in your Google Ad account, feel free to click the first link in the description to book a call with me. And after that, make sure to watch the recommendation video where I show you even more videos in other niches that we achieved great results for. I see you there.